Okay, hi everyone. Continuing from last time, I will draw an egg packaging box continuously. I'll try it by myself first. In this time, first we should hide some non-necessary part like this. Sketch 1, command circle pattern 1, line 1, line 2, line 3, multi-sections surface, circle pattern 2, sketch 2 could be hidden in this time. Therefore, first click sketch 1. Sketch 1 is like this, and the second one is circular pattern 1. This is circular pattern 1, this profile, and next one line 1. Can you remember line 1, line 2, line 3, line 2, line 3, and the multi-section surface is like this. Therefore we should hide it. And the next one, circular pattern 2, is here. Therefore circular pattern 2. Then if you click hide button in place in the bottom part, you can easily sketch 2 should be also hide. Sketch 2 also should be hide like this. Then you can see this kind of only circular pattern 3, split 1, and circular pattern 3, split 1 and circular pattern 3 is like this. Split 1, circular pattern 3. If you finished it, then please go to the next part. For drawing it, we should click ZX plane in place in this part and go to the sketch workbench, and please draw some sketch by using profile button, and you can start from this one and straight ahead and go to the this one, and please here and escape, and please give to the constraint distance by using constraint dialog box, and this one is 5 millimeter, and this one from here to here is the same size in previously drawn. Therefore distance from the original measure direction should be also 5 millimeter, as you remember. And the next one from this one and this one can be horizontal measure direction should be 10 millimeter, I remember, and the size of this one should be making 19.233, I remember. And if we finish, some parts are not determined, therefore the place distance should be given. If that is given well, then all of the sketch color can be changed from white color to green color, as you know. If you finish it, then please go and exit to the sketch workbench like this, and please be carefully observe the what kind of profile should be drawn. In this case, we should carefully observe it, and if the sketch profile completion is examined completely, then we should do another step. by using a circular pattern like this. If a circular pattern is dialog box is appeared, then we should give to the two number in the instances column, and angular, in case of angular spacing, we should give to the minus 90 degree in the angular spacing, and the reference element should be z direction like this. In this case, this kind of new angular pattern, second angular pattern, could be made from this operation. And if it is finished, then please click OK button like this. Then you can find the new kind of this is profile 1, this is profile 1, and this is generated from angular pattern. This is a circular pattern. Therefore, circular pattern 4 is like this. And repeated from earlier mode, we should draw a line from a line type should be changed from point to point, and this point, and select this point, and also click the line again, and second line should be given in this point, and last third line should be made from this operation. It is the repeated course in previously studied things, and also we use multi-sections surface by using multi-sections surface like this should be made from multi-sections surfaces like this, and we click this icon, and in previously we should do first sketch 3, and this circular pattern 4 is the section 1 is defined in section 1 and section 2, and also line 1 and line 2, line 3 should be the guided lines in this case. And if you click preview, then the new multi-section surface can be made in this case. And by using split, you can delete some unnecessary part by split menu. Therefore, please click the split button like this, and you can see the split definition dialog box. And in this case, the element to cut should be selected to the multi-section surface number 2, and this cutting element should be circular pattern 3. This is circular pattern 3, and split 1. Split 1 is maybe this part, I think. This is cutting element. Cutting. Please carefully think about cutting element, between cutting element and remained element. Please click other side, this side and other side. this side and other side. If you other side, this side. If it click OK, then other side can be made from this operation. And next one, you should use the circle pattern again. Please be carefully observing it, and click a circular pattern once again, and split 3. This is a split 3, I think. Therefore, split number 2. This is the second split number 2, and in the instance column, please give it to 4, and the angular axis should be given to 90 degree, and z direction reference can be made from this operation. Maybe I'll check it. Next one, we should have a join together. For joining, please click join button like this, and please clear this line. And first one, we should click join 1 in previously joined part, and the second one, we should click circular pattern 3 like this, and next one should be split number 2, and the first one is circular pattern 5. Then if you click OK, then join 2 can be generated. Joint can be join 1, and it can be composed of join 1, circular pattern 3. This is join 1, and circular pattern 3 is like here, and split 2. Split 2 is like this. This is the split number 2. And the circular pattern 3 is like this. This is circular pattern by using split 2. Okay, if the join 2 number 2 is generated, then next two page could be considered like this. And for the convenience, we should do some correction is executed in this time. Therefore, I will execute the join 2 once again. If you click join, then please select split 1 for first join 1, and circular pattern 3 is second join, and third join should be included in split 3 is third join, and the last join is circular pattern 6. And if we click OK, then join the number 2 part can be made from join the examination. And of course, if we complete the join part, then please go hide some unnecessary part. Unnecessary part should be sketch 3, circular pattern 4, number 4, 5, 6, line 5, 6 should be hide like this. And next one, we should take ZX by using ZX plane, go to the sketch workbench like this, and please draw a line start from here to here. Maybe I don't think it is well determined or not. I should confirm it coincidence or not, and this one is not was not coincident. See, I think therefore perfect join should be making from this constant defined in dialog box, and I'll exit to the sketch workbench, and please click extrude icon in from here, and a 20 millimeter extrusion, and the mirrored extent should be making, and OK, click OK. Then please split, click the split once again, and if the dialog box is appeared, then please select in the element to cut part to extrude number 2, and the cutting element should be selected to join 2, and please click other side each other side. If it is satisfied, then OK button can be made. Ooh. This is maybe split number 4, and the remaining sketch can be hided with the hide option, show option, and maybe some part can be completely finished. Then from this opportunity practicing product, please go to the part design, and please select, in this case maybe thick surface definition from here. If we click thick surface definition, and please object to element, and second offset should be 1 millimeter again, and please view the preview like here, and the first offset should be defined in 1 millimeter, and second offset should be once again 1 millimeter, and the object to offset should be, that's OK. Please say OK in this part, and the next one is the more difficult one. Please click rectangular pattern. Before click rectangular pattern, we should hide some surfaces. Only the solid part can be made. However, the size of this is somewhat too thin or not, I don't think so. However, in this case, we should click rectangle pattern in this case, and first, in the first definition, please give to the 6 instances, and the spacing should be 13 millimeter, and the reference element should be xy plane. Maybe in this case xy plane is here. This is a circular pattern like this, and this is spacing 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 maybe. And in case of second spacing, please click second spacing and give it to maybe I think 6 or 7. I should check it later once again. And please, in case of spacing, please click 30 millimeter, and the reference element should be also XY plane like this. However, in Korea, the one box egg packaging should be maybe, I think it contains 30 number of eggs contained. Therefore, 1 2 3 4 5, and in this case 1 2 3 4 5, maybe 5 by 5. Therefore, one case should be placed in 7, I think. If you enhance this, and if you click OK, then maybe I think the perfect egg packaging can be made. 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the horizontal line, and 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore, 30 caps of eggs can be contained in this egg packaging box, I think, maybe. Therefore, it could be successfully drawn in this case by using very many kind of things. Okay, let me see. The egg packaging box is successfully drawn from this operation. Maybe let me see. Click, change all of this part to another color. Maybe I think some egg color should be another color. I think this color or another color. I don't think. Oh, it is not reality. Real color is not in this, I think. Therefore, in this case, please, I will let's review it before class, and in the first time I will use some profile and circular pattern and multi-sections. By using multi-section surface and line drawing, then some part can be made, and in some cases circular pattern and combine multiple sections and patterns using joint, and extrude by using extrusion menu, combining joining, split menu, circular pattern, and another split line menu, and angular pattern, joining, drawing a line and the split, and define join tool, and by using thickness value, I think some part of the thickness should be 0 millimeter. How about 0 millimeter? Because it is too too thick, I think. Therefore, it should be slightly, yeah, change like this. The 2 millimeter is too thick because 2 millimeter is too thick. I slightly change the value like this. Okay, then the packaging egg packaging box could be successfully drawn like this. From now I'm about to finish, and thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.